Hi everyone, and welcome to a short technical video on designing forms for your MyForms mobile web forms. Today I'll demonstrate how to set up a form that allows your users to zoom into a field or an area of your form by hitting a button. Perhaps your users have a dense form layout and they need to be able to zoom into a signature field so they can sign better. This example will help you get started with that. First of all, let's take a look at the form layout. I have a signature area for signing the form. Around that is a free-form field for collecting the ink. And then around that, what I do is I place a dynamic label. The dynamic label will become the target zoom area, and so I don't have to put it around the free-form or just one particular field. I can actually put it around a section of my form that I want to be able to zoom in on once this button here on the side called Zoom to Signature is hit. This is a hotspot, and in this particular example it has a name HS Zoom to Sign. So once this is all set up in the form layout, I can use my JavaScript form script, and in here you'll notice that there's already an event handler called MF after ink added. And this particular event handler is triggered when a particular field gets ink, and we pass in the field name here. And the code that you will write is all in here. And so in this particular example, I'm looking for a field name that happens to equal HS Zoom to Sign. That's my hotspot. When that is hit, I want to run this code that I've generated in here. And in this particular example, I want to be able to zoom to a particular area of the form, and that's the dynamic label called DL signature in this case. And so this code will run and zoom into this particular area. When that is completed, what happens is that on your mobile web forms, let's say on an iPad such as this, it'll zoom in. And as you can see on this example iPad application, what I have here is a Zoom to Signature field. If I go ahead and click on that, what it's going to do is zoom into there. And now I can actually sign with my finger. And then once I'm completed with that, I just tap on any area, and then what it does is it zooms back out. I can click on the blue area, it zooms out to the form level area so I can see all my pages. In this case there's only one page. I can click back on my page and it zooms back to the page. And then again, if I zoom to signature, I can zoom into my signature field.